Hey everyone, my name is Mahoozy and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'll show you how you can claim loot from previous season passes in Destiny 2. So first, head to the link in the description to travel to this GitHub page to download an extension by Josh Hunt. This extension allows you to select previous seasons on the previous season page at bungie.net, and you can claim rewards that you have not yet claimed. So first step is to download the season pass.zip file, and once downloaded you want to open it up and extract this file. So extract this folder wherever you'd like. I currently have mine extracted into the downloads folder. Now once you're completed with that step, head over to the three dots in the top right of the Chrome tab and head over to settings and then the extensions tab. Once here, ensure that developer mode is enabled. I currently have it enabled, and at the top left you'll see an option here to load unpacked. Now select the folder that you previously saved and then you'll see it pop up in here. Now to initialize this Chrome extension, you do have to visit bungie.net and sign in with your account. Once you've signed in, head over to the puzzle icon here to see the season pass extension and click on it there. And here you'll have an option to change the previous season. Now you can select from any season available and you'll be able to see the season pass from that season. I'll select season of the arrivals, for example, and then you're going to click on previous season here to head to the bungie.net page. Now once here, you'll load your season pass from that season. Unfortunately, I actually didn't play this season, so I'm only rank 1. And I can actually claim some premium hunter rewards, it looks like. So once here you can go through and see all the rewards that you have available. There might be some that you didn't even know you had. This is also a cool way to see all the rewards that were available at the time. Maybe you can see if you missed anything and compare with your friends. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like down below. And let me know in the comments if you did find any items that you had unclaimed.